Hi there, I'm Lara from 5 out of 4 Patterns and welcome to Sewing School. In a previous video we discussed a full box pleat that I will link in the description box below just so you have access to it. But today we're going to talk about a half box pleat. Now, these are very similar to the full box pleats, and on the skirt that I'm working on, we will have two on the back skirt, okay? So what I've done is I have marked the center, so I folded it in half and I marked the center of my panel here, which would be where the placket is going to be. And then I've also marked where the pleat markings are on the pattern piece itself. So starting with the pleat that I have here, I already did the pleat on the left, so I'm moving to the pleat on the right, and we're going to take the first pin and place it on top of the third pin. So 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, it matters not. So we're going to place that, and we're going to base down where the two pins have met. We're gonna, just like with the full box pleat, we based it down the same way. And for clarity, I'm not gonna repeat how to do the full box pleat, but I will put that link in the description box below. So I'm gonna base this real quick and I will be right back. Okay, so here we are. I have, I've basted all the way down. I've done the pleat on either side, and you can see here, let me get this up here so you can see that you've got a flap. You've got where I basted here, and then you got a flap of fabric in the back. You have that on both sides where I lined up those markings. We are going to take the flaps and we are going to push them away from the placket or the center of the back of the skirt. So we're going to push them away. So there's one, and I'm going to pin that in place. And here we have the other flap. We're going to push it away as well. And I'm going to pin that in place. The only thing left to do is to baste across, and we are done with our half box pleat. Well, a half box pleat is just as easy as a full box pleat, and it still looks clean and finished. I hope you enjoyed this edition of Sewing School, and I hope you will join us next time. Bye!